In today's video, we are going to make a healthy, delicious lunch, and we're gonna work smarter, not harder. Coming up. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bella Hibbs, and that intro probably was confusing. Like, what are you talking about, work smarter, not harder? Well, I recently got a question or a request to do a video on working out while cooking. And my first thought was, sounds kind of dangerous. I don't know about y'all, but I'm kind of a klutz. And I've had some accidents in the kitchen. So I was thinking though that there actually is a way that you can work out while cooking and be safe, and it's something that I already do. And what do I mean? Well, my ankle weights. So I actually do clean and do all my chores around the house while wearing ankle weights. And so there is a way to incorporate a little mini workout toning burn sesh if you don't have time to get into the gym while you're prepping your lunch. So today's lunch, we're making a spicy garlic lime chicken that I've been marinating, and I've also got some roasted potatoes and green beans, and I also made extra for lunch tomorrow. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of things, workouts that you can do with your ankle weights. So let me show you, I have the potatoes already in here. These take a while. Oh, the potatoes take like an hour to roast, so I put those in right away just so I didn't have to wait that long. But what I used was just little mini red potatoes, and then this all-purpose, it's Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic. I put this on everything now. It is amazing. It's so calories, but what it does have is 200 milligrams of sodium. So it's not like the Mrs. Dash where it doesn't have sodium, but it tastes delicious. You can put this on like your veggies, your carbs, your protein, and it's amazing. So we're gonna make the chicken and the green beans. I'm gonna show you some little workouts that you can do while you cook. I have our Le Creuset pan, and here is the chicken. So there's garlic, paprika, and lime, and then salt and pepper. For the green beans, I just got frozen green beans. We'll put these in the microwave. Hi, Marley. These are so simple. You know, again, work smarter, not harder. Meal prepping can already take a lot of time, so if I can try and get some frozen stuff, oh my goodness, these look so good. So I am still prepping some chicken so I can eat this, you know, throughout the rest of the week. I didn't measure it out. So right now I'm not really prepping for anything. I don't necessarily have any shows in the near future. So normally I would do a little bit better job like weighing stuff out, but kind of portion controlled. If I go over in veggies, that's okay, because the veggies are what keeps you full, I think. More like you get the volume from your veggies. So I'm excited to eat this. I will post the entire recipe for the marinade in the description below, as well as a link to get some ankle weights. So as you can see, you can create an amazing lunch for the week and get a little bit of workout, a little bit of toning. Again, these are only 5-pound weights. I think you can, I'm sure you can get heavier weights if you need to. But I seriously will do this while I'm doing laundry, taking out the trash. Like, I just wear them, burn a few extra calories, get a little pump in. So if you're in the kitchen and you are wearing ankle weights and you're trying to get like a little workout in, remember safety. Obviously, if you have like knives or something sharp, don't hurt yourself. Be smart. Be sure to like and subscribe to this video. Let me know, do y'all wear ankle weights ever? Do you use them when you work out? Do you use them when you're just doing chores? Comment below and let me know. And I will see y'all next week, so be sure to like, subscribe to my channel.